be the same as a Stagia, essentially?
Yes. Yes, pretty much.
Wow, they can't give you struts on these?
See?
Well, the timing belt wasn't done too long ago.
No, like 5,000 miles ago.
Are you worried about that or no?
Nope. No, because like I said, the pinch welds are here. See right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You take this upper half comes off and you put the new one on and you're done. That's why I said it's not part of the struts.
Did you see this in the photos or no?
Yeah, but it was very vague on the pictures.
The turbo's right here. You see it?
Typical Japanese style.
See the turbo? I'm
Yeah.
just kidding. People are gonna be like, there ain't no fucking turbo. You don't know the cars.
Turbo's coming soon though. Here's the Dad Bod Garage Skyline.
It's really good.
And that's coilovers?
Yeah, it has lowering springs.
Oh, lowering springs?
Yeah,
Nice.
they did some shit.
Does it have an exhaust or no? It's just no.
Yeah, it's got an exhaust. Every car has an exhaust, bro. What kind of question is that? Pop the truck. Let me see this. Is it your cruising status?
Oh, you got body status, not cruising. You got body status.
Couple dead bodies in here. Wow, you can't even fit in here though. Like if you wanted to try and get in there.
No, I'm telling you, the car's clean. It's just that stupid shit in the front.
It's a number one.
This car is for sale, by the way.
What's the price, Savvy? 16.5 or best offer.
16.5 our best offer.
Motivated sellers.
Motivated buyers, please contact Dad Bod Garage. Just made it to Dad Bod Garage. Daniel Chavez, the guy who actually bought Mendy's brown mirror walkthrough and now has bought Dad Bod's Garage Honda Vamos. Shout out to you. And he's also a Patreon member. I love when the community all sticks together. But this is going to New Mexico. I really haven't seen or worked or driven many Vamoses. I actually got an email yesterday. Someone was saying if you should get a Vamos or Town Box. Thing is clean. I like that. I think I'm gonna, actually, I don't know. Maybe I won't drive it. I'm not gonna drive it actually, because this car's already sold. So let me not even, God forbid something happens. But this is cool. Tweeters there. You can fit a single din. Oh, it looks like he changed the radio too. It's not even Japanese. AC. Hazards. I like this wood grain. Goes nice with this like charcoal dash. Like that it has a tack. I think they all have tacks now too. Got a wide mirror there. Oh, wow. You have a full-size mirror here too. Shout out to your passenger. Let's see. LEDs. LEDs. Okay. I shouldn't expect anything less from Dad Bod Garage. Look at that. LEDs all around. You get to look at the back. Typical bench seat. Got... Whoa! I didn't know that this had a cup holder. This is nice. I was going to say typical armrest, but cup holder there too. Hang up your jackets. Your JDM jacket. Got some little storage there. Got two cubbies in the back. An overall very clean van. Shout out to you, Daniel. If you're watching this video right now, comment below. Looks like there's even more room here than the traditional old vans. Like, I feel like I can't man spread this much in a Honda Street. But let's see how these go down. We're learning this together. Okay. And then this is probably to make it go up. Okay, so it doesn't go flat. I know that was a large selling point on the older Kei Vans. Or does it? No. Yeah, no, it doesn't. There's no way because the rack is here. Still lots of room. Crazy amount of room when it comes to driver and passenger. Like next level. Shout out to the newer vans. I know a lot of people aren't fans of the face with the little fake hood and everything, but when it comes to space, they definitely killed it while still keeping it in K-car standards. Then we got some cup holders there. I definitely should start it up though. I think the hood opens as well, and then to access the battery, it's super difficult. I could technically message Daniel right now on Patreon and see if he can let me drive it. I'm gonna ask him actually, see what he says. Ooh, wow. Got 2 horns under there. But yeah, look at the battery. So to jump the battery, you have to slide this up, slide the reservoir up, and then jump it or replace it. But check out these horns. Pretty nice. But now let me start it up. And I'm gonna message Daniel on Patreon and see, hey bro, do you mind if I just drive this around the block? Oh, it doesn't start without the clutch? Okay. Look at these safety features. All right, cold start, you can see. So they still have this, like the Honda Street, but I don't believe the other side has anything, seeing how this now has a hood. Yeah, there's nothing here. On the old Streets, this would be where the washer fluid and some of the stuff is. But while we let this warm up and potentially drive it, let's see what Daniel Chavez says. Here's a Suzuki Carrier that's also for sale. I think he said 65. What is the price on the Carry? 65? 75? 6,500 bucks with title. He's currently working on it now. LEDs already installed. All this cleaned up. It only has 16,000 kilometers. I believe Mendy Imports made a video on this if you want to see even more. But LEDs. Oh wow, you put a double din in here. Is this Japanese? It looks brand new. No, I'm gonna assume, no, this is American. It's brand new. Doesn't have AC. Seats look good. It is 2-wheel drive, if anyone's wondering. 5 speeds though. Clutch feels good. I'll start this up in a second. And then I believe he's currently working on most likely painting this bed white because he doesn't want to do black. He said everyone does black beds and it's played out. He wants to do something different. Shout out to Jimmy in the minicab. If you guys remember, we actually spray painted a K-Truck bed blue. And that was the first. I don't think anyone's ever done that before. But he took off the rack. You could see this one has seen better days. And he's most likely going to do this white, I think. So stay tuned for that. I think that's probably part of the $6,500 price. Maybe a little more. But this thing is clean. Low kilometers. He did new plugs, new air filter, LEDs. Looks like he coated the front bumper too. That looks fresh. Same with the mirrors here. Let's give it a start. If you're looking for a 2-wheel drive Carry with title, 16,000 kilometers, hit up Dad Bod Garage.
That's what I really miss about the Vamos is the fact, or not the Vamos, but the Street is the fact that they can tuck under. So
What do you mean it's because of this?
Well, that's bolted on, but then there's also like, this is it. It's stationary there. It's just pivots like that. Mm-hmm. So if you could remove the seats completely if you really wanted to, but I think what I'm curious to know is if the Acti does this, like, you know, obviously not the Vamos, but the Honda Acti of this era.
No, I think it goes down flat.
You think it goes down flat?
Yeah, like the bench seat? Yeah.
I don't know. I have to look at my camper because my camper would tell us.
I'm willing to bet it does.
Really?
Yeah. Because that one is made for that. This is like made for...
Because it tucks under.
Yeah. That one is made for transport. This is like for commuting with your family.
Which is whack that it does that.
I mean, who's really putting the seats all the way down? This is more than enough room for 90% of things.
Yeah, you can fit in there at an angle.
Yeah, I probably can't lay down here.
No,
but,
I can't.
No, but
You did
I can't
not watch
either.
my videos, did you?
I can't.
I was there for the video. What do you mean watch my video? I was
You
there for
can't
the
lay
making
down
of-
that way, but give me 5 seconds.
No, it does like he did.
Well,
the
yeah,
whole
of
thing.
course.
And he laid across with his shoes off. I saw it. He said you didn't watch my video. We were making the video.
Subscribe to Dad Bod Garage
Right
and
there, look
Mendy
at that.
Imports.
Damn, that's nice right there. And then both seats do that. Both of them.
Shoes off, and I'm 6 feet tall.
You could probably lift the back up too to get a little angle.
Yeah, you
If
can.
you're a snorer.
I think the Vamos is actually pretty cool. Like
It
what it has to offer. Would you camp in this overnight or no?
Yeah, of course.
The little curved things.
Oh, they do.
There's a lot of room in here too for the driver and passenger.
Oh,
Oh,
huge!
mad room,
Like
dude.
that's
A lot of room.
that's a major advantage of this van, in my opinion.
Like so much room, dude.
But weren't we at Virginia Audemars? You were complaining how it was small.
No, I thought it was small, but I didn't realize that you could go back.
Dude, like when
But
he's
the
fully
back
in there,
is
look
very,
how
very
much
small.
look how much leg room he's got.
Look at that.
Yeah, no, of course. The back is.
No, but even still, look. With the seat all the way back, and I'm 6 feet tall. I mean, a little snug here, but once
Yeah.
the door's closed, I'll have a
I
little
guess the
more
difference between
leg.
this one and the old one is the old vans. No matter what, you had a lot of room in the back.
Yeah.
But the fronts
the
didn't
front-
go back. Yeah, the fronts didn't go back as much. We gotta call Daniel Chavez though. Can someone call him?
What are your first impressions so far?
Just in 3 seconds.
Yeah, the first 3 seconds.
I would say it's comfortable, like the seating position.
It's a comfortable seat too.
We'll go through backcountry.
All right, I want to hit VTEC.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth.
This is so interesting to me.
Yeah, you're back.
You want to really hit VTEC?
No. I really don't care to go far at all. Honestly, I just wear the.
No, I'm gonna do a loop. We'll
Oh
come back in.
yeah.
When we drove that van, remember?
I'm really comparing it to my town box, though. Not speed wise, because obviously.
But just size and everything. I think
yeah,
the town
just
box is a little
comfortability
bit bigger.
and like size and stuff like that. Like cluster, like this cluster's pretty
Lock the
nice.
window.
I know the fact they have a speedometer is awesome.
Yeah, like
Tachometer.
Tachometer, yes. Sorry.
like the shocks and everything feel good. They don't feel blown. There's like what, like 600 pounds in the car right now.
Damn.
You gonna drive this thing or you gonna baby it?
Yeah. This is how
I
Nick
don't-
normally
Yeah,
drives.
this is how I normally drive.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
He only needs 3 gears on his cars.
Yeah, I don't really.
Feels planted, or does the town box feel more planted than this?
No, it feels good. You have brand new tires too, right?
Brand new. I mean, yes, they're 12s, but they are new.
Yeah, but new tires are new tires.
But it's cool because I can't even talk. It's cool because it comes with rims. Like
Yeah.
Well, that's why I put them on these, because the rims are really nice. Stock wheels, you know. I mean, yes, listen, you can always upgrade, get 14s, 15s, whatever, because there's a lot of room there. But, you know, kind of make it work.
After all, it is still a Honda. I think I felt your town box being a little bit more peppy.
I'd rather the turbo though. It's not even fair to compare.
Well, I guess it's true.
Yeah.
I guess it's when we get the turbo bottle.
Yeah, it's not even fair. That's why I don't want to compare speed. I'm solely talking about like comfortability. I think this is kind of into my leg.
Yeah, no, it's definitely more like.
Yeah.
That's one of the things I spoke about in my video. The doors are thicker, like much more.
Yeah, this is super thick.
Yeah.
Oh, the buttons, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because like this is on my leg and it was not like this on the bottom.
Well, think about it. It's either that or the roll-up thing. Which, look, did you see the cutout for the
well, my
roll-up
town box had power windows.
thing? Yeah. Damn, VTEC.
Let's hit VTEC at least once. Too many back roads. I feel like I'm driving the Dragon right now.
The Dragon? Oh, that's funny.
Nah, it still gets up there though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it picks up really nice, right?
Yeah, it still gets up there.
Hey, I'm not trying to call us fat, but there's three.
That's what I'm saying. There's 600 pounds in the car.
There's
like, that's
definitely
like,
some weight in this car right now.
and he's taking the bumps good for having all this weight.
You hear a little bit of chatter, like noise, but that's not bad.
Yeah, that's 50 miles per hour. And in fourth gear at that.
Oh yeah, dude, it does great. It does really good, honestly.
Yeah, I could daily this. I could do this.
Like a
daily in
as a
Japan?
daily, correct?
Yeah, of course in Japan. Japan's slow though.
Would you get automatic or do you get manual?
I think the turbos are automatic, so I get it on.
Yeah, turbo's automatic.
I think they come 5-speed if I'm not
No.
mistaken. I think they do. They're
No.
very rare.
Only
but I think
auto.
they do.
No, only auto. I did my research. They're only auto. If you want turbo, they're only auto. That's the sucky part.
I don't know why Honda did that with the Z.
The same thing with the Z. Yes, exactly like the Z.
That's probably
Same
another
crap.
one.
You know what it probably was?
Same
the
motor,
turbo.
too.
And let me see what if it's like I put something like that.
Sorry.
It's like major. Like you can't even reach.
Yeah, I can't even try.
Look how much room you got in your legs.
Yeah,
dude. You got like a foot.
I think this actually telescopes, believe it or not. It goes.
No, the steering wheel. No,
Yeah,
I don't
this
think
is
so.
full extension on my arm right now.
What was that book I was looking at that I was like, oh wow,
I can't even put my phone all the way down on the clutch.
that's funny. Do you think Daniel's gonna enjoy it?
Is he tall?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I'm not sure.
Well, if he's tall, he's gonna love it. If he's normal, man, then
Shout out to Daniel buying 2 back-to-back
I
cars.
don't know. Next, he has to buy one for me.
Yeah.
I'll drive it.
Yes, Daniel will enjoy it. According to his thing, he's 5'11".
Oh, perfect.
So he's our height.
Yeah. So I drove Zucmi's turbo carry, and because it was turbo, obviously, it literally blew my socks away. Whoa! But he said this one is very fast. Damn, this already feels quick. It already feels quick. Like just.
That clutch is scary.
No, yeah, it definitely feels out. It chirps fourth, he said. Alright, let's see. Let's put these windows up. Two-wheel drive trucks are just the best. Two-wheel drive K cars for the most part, unless you necessarily need, like it's an actual necessity. Four-wheel drive, there's no need for it. No, this thing is really like pushing me back. Oh yeah, it really does throw you back all the way in fourth. Let's go straight actually. How would I compare this to the Vamos? Well, I don't have weight with me right now, but yeah, why is this so aggressive? It's like hugging these corners right now, though. I'm only in 4th gear too, going 50 kilometers an hour. Wait to get my turbo Suzuki carry next week. I haven't bought and owned a K truck. I couldn't tell you. I think years, legitimately years, since I've owned a K truck that was mine. We worked on Giovanni's, his Acti, that was fun for a little bit. We worked on the mini cab, that was fun for a little bit. We worked on the 550cc Hijet, that was fun for a little bit. But this carry is legitimately mine and it's turbo. I've never owned a turbo or supercharged K truck. I'm finally gonna get one, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, no, this thing is sick. Sounds good. Brakes work good. Seatbelt works. Oh, there's a K truck there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me back up a little bit. If you're watching this video and you live in Connecticut, I'm not going to show your house or anything. Nice Hijet. Nah, yeah, this thing is rowdy. Yeah, it really does throw you back even in 4th.
That's a blessing.
Hey.
This thing kicks.
Yeah, it really does in all gears.
It doesn't even need to be turbo. This.
No. This pulls you back. People gotta stop sleeping on two-wheel drives.
That's what I was telling them. Oh no.
This is way faster than his. Way faster than his.
Dude.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.